Namaste. In this class, we are going to learn alignment and adjustment of revolted Trikonasana, which means revolved triangle pose, starting from the Samaskriti or Tadasana. Now, in this position, you have to open your feet little closer than the triangle pose. Open your feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Keep your both hands on your waist. Now, in this posture, you have to take your back leg more forward than the front leg. Don't align your heel to heel or heel to heel hard. Now turn your right toes to the right side. Yes, you have to see that you are not aligning your heel to heel. And turn your back leg foot more in, somewhere around 45 degrees angle, because we will do internal rotation with the back leg. Now turn your complete torso to the front side or right side. Keep your chest up. Now keep pressing the outer arch of the left foot down onto the mat and keep internally rotating the leg here. Now sometimes what happens, people have hyperextension on their feet. So what you can do to avoid hyperextension, you can ask them to press the front part of the foot more, because when people do hyperextension, they sit most of the weight on the hip. So try to sit your most of the weight onto your big toe mount and little finger mount here. And at the same time, you have to contract, you have to engage your quadriceps muscle. As soon as you are going to relax your quadriceps muscle, you are going to do hyperextension with your knee. So it is very important to engage your quadriceps here. Now lift your left arm up, only left arm first, and create a length in your spine as much as possible. Try to lengthen your side of the trunk from here. Then you have to bend down halfway around 90-degree angle without lifting your outer arch of the left foot. Keep your elbow in, right elbow in, but don't twist, keep looking front, you don't have to twist. Now first here you have to create a length in the spine. So what you can do here, you can give a challenge to your student. For example, I am telling him to touch my hand. Yes, more. Yes, look how much he lengthened his spine here after I gave him the challenge. Then after that, slowly ask them to twist, to try to do retraction with the right scapula but protraction with the left scapula. Then take your left hand down and try to place the left hand outside of your right foot. But sometimes it is difficult to test. Then you can take a yoga block and take the yoga block to help them, to assist them. And you can place your hand on the block. Now you have to make sure they are not only bending down. Same like Uttanasana, he has to lift his chest up. Lift your chest more up without twisting. Lift up. Then try to lengthen your spine front side. Create a length on your spine. Now at last, you can lift your left hand up. Then try to twist more. Then you can also do hands-on adjustment. Just place your one leg on the outer side of left leg. Then place your one hand to the shoulder and one hand on the scapula. With your left hand, you are going to do protraction with the scapula here. I am doing protraction and then I am twisting him more up. And at the same time, I am pulling his arm upside. Try to balance. This is the alignment of revolted Trikonasana. Now slowly come back, same way, hand on the waist first. Take your hand front, lengthen your spine, stay. Now come back. Now come back into Samaskriti.